guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. Actually, I made this style for one of my clients. She has a wound right here on this part of her forehead. Just wanted something that would cover that wound, and I made the same style for her, and she really loved it. I wish I could just share a photo here. She tried it on and she really loved it. So I decided to make the same style, the same color. So just comment down below, guys, if you love this style or if you love this color as well. And then if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.